we're gonna get started cooking some dinner here. Now, I could cook these over the fire too in the cast iron pan. I'm gonna stick with what I know for the potatoes because I like my potatoes nice and crispy. So I'm gonna do those on my little propane stove here, but I am gonna cook the steak over that fire over there that I got going. Alright, just some onion powder, some garlic powder. Alright, so we're about to take these potatoes off. They're not completely done yet, but I want to put some aluminum foil over this and they're going to steam. We're going to throw this broccoletti in, throw the cast iron on here. What I like about these is it's a little easy because they are washed and ready to eat. Throw a little of olive oil on there, some salt. Cheat a little bit when we're camping. Get this little garlic stir-in paste from Wegmans. This is just really easy. So to make this maple spice aioli, some mayonnaise, some Dijon, and some maple syrup. Mix this all up. You can dip anything in this. You could dip your broccoli, steak, potatoes. It's delightful on everything. We're gonna put some back in the fridge for now. Cooking my favorite cut of meat tonight, New York strip steaks. And fancy with seasoning here. I'm just gonna put some Himalayan sea salt on these guys and just let the meat kind of speak for itself over the smoky fire. So we're really excited about that. My broccoletti is coming along nicely. I'm gonna take the broccoletti off. Once I take the strip steaks off the fire, I'll throw these potatoes back in the pan, get them nice and crispy. So I gotta let the steak rest for about 10 minutes or so. Take the top off now that they're nice and steamed. Let them crispen up a bit there. Butter just makes everything just a little bit better. Coming along just nice.
Woo! Nice and crispy.
Love these little salad kits. Got a nice Caesar salad to pair with our meal. Potatoes are nice and caramelized, delicious. Nice.
Looks good to me.
Some sausage, some cheese. I think that's it. Sausage, egg, and cheese, right? Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's see if I can keep this in one piece. Not bad. We're gonna make some chicken fajitas tonight. These are all ripe AF. It's a balance with avocados, man. You got like a 2-day window, but I will say if you put them in the fridge, once they get nice and a little bit soft, come on. Perfect avocados. Some garlic stir-in paste, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and some lime juice, and we're gonna call that a day. And we're gonna call that homemade guacamole.
Reading nicely.
We're gonna mash it all up. One more. Because so this chicken's just been marinated with some fajita seasonings. Right, I am. Nice hot sauce. It's great, and this stuff, French peasant, fantastic for paninis and French toast because the eggs really absorb into that bread. And then we got some maple syrup from my parents' backyard. Yeah. Hard to beat some French toast with maple syrup from where you grew up. All All right, we're doing steak gyros tonight. Gonna get the rice going soon. Love this stuff. All right, I'm gonna put the steak on. We're gonna toss some naans on the grill. Just enough to warm them up.
Sure.
All right, let's assemble this. Nice generous scoop of hummus.
Look, I put a little more water in this.
We have enough water, babe.
Clear out that steak nice. Some peppers and onions. We did the rice mostly for the children. A little bit of Greek dressing. And that's your gyro. We've done it before, we're gonna do it again. Things I've prepped ahead of time: cup of rice. And in that little Ziploc bag is just some flour and some cornstarch to bread that chicken up. I did cheat a little bit. We got some spicy orange sauce instead of chopping up some fresh oranges, which we also have. We're making things a little bit easier tonight. So let's get started. So we need a cup and a half of water. Pour in our rice. Let's add some aminos. Spicy orange sauce from Wegmans. Love it. It's not too spicy. It's got just the right amount of sweetness. Gonna add some of this in. Let this start to caramelize a bit. Even my ladies who don't like sweet, spicy stuff, they very much enjoy this. All right. So let that sort of get a chance to know each other in there. Mom and Dad. Gonna get some chives, some spicy mayo, and just for some extra love. Let's do it. Let's make some tacos. Oh. Oops. Not bad for a camp kitchen. Show you how I assemble these things. Because these are going in Mommy and Daddy's tacos. Yeah, we'll kind of smash it. Serve our steak here for the wifey. All right. Do some corn. Ah, forgot the hot sauce. That's all right.
That's okay.
That's okay.
There's this. Hey, Dad,
Couple pickled
this
onions.
day is amazing. Hey, Dad, if there's a beautiful sunset, all of us can go down to the water and see it.
Mm-hmm.
With the water, it's very beautiful. Dad,
Yeah, I agree.
Dad, this camping view is the best day of my life.
Glad to hear that. That makes me happy.
Yeah, remember those times when we had
Some
the...
fresh cilantro.
Yeah, remember that time we...
And that is dinner. You're welcome.